Oh shit. Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here. Today is, God, I don't know. I never know what day it is. It's Saturday, I know that much, and we're in July. But I'm in the town of Denison again. Just stopped here for breakfast. It's right off of State Route 800. If you've never been here, I've featured it in a couple other videos. Oh, I love this place. And if you'd be so kind, I am experimenting with a new mic placement in this new helmet. And I'm sure it's probably going to muffle my voice a little bit, but the goal is to have it muffle the wind noise a little bit also. And after I get some miles in and I've got some bike noise and wind noise, do me a favor, let me know what you think about the new placement. All right, let's go see what we're going to get into. What as everything is down here, they must have just recently got rain. I have no idea if this is really a road. I think I have an idea where it goes, but I'm not certain. Oh shit. Oh, of course. Lovely.
Well, here we are back on the road. I had forgotten to plug my mic back in at this point, so the audio is unintelligible, but I am on the road now that I thought I was on in that last clip where I just about had the bike go down on me.
Well, it's kind of what I feared. This bridge must be closed forever now. Last time I was down here a couple of years ago, or maybe it was last year, I don't remember. But they had this closed. You used to be able to go through it. So I'm assuming it's been deemed unsafe now for vehicle traffic, which that's kind of a bummer, but at least the bridge is still here. Came down this road, which hopefully that will be on my map that accompanies this video. That gravel was pretty loose. Of course, if I had good tires instead of just these Mission tires. And I've never stayed there, but there's a campground down here. And if you've been watching the channel for any length of time, you will know last time me and the bike were on this road, I dropped it going up this hill because I stalled the dang thing. So let's try not to do that again this time. That mud back there was close enough. Right about here last time, I think I was thinking to myself, "Self, you should probably turn around." And I'm kind of thinking the same thing right now. This is a steep, loose hill, and I am not the most skilled individual. And that gravel just took me clean across the road because it's so stinking loose. Just like last time when I was on it. Whoa, slippery. But I made it up at this time. I gotta admit, my heart's going 1,000 miles an hour, and that did scare me, just because of the history. But that's why I did this. Whew. Yeah, I know to a lot of you guys out there that is less than nothing, but to me that's still scary as hell. One thing that stands out in my mind from last time I was out here was not only like now how much gravel's on this road, but because of the recent rainfall I don't have what I did before to where, I don't know, limestone dust for lack of a better word, but there was a heavy powder under the stone as well. But this time I'm able to relax a little bit, just enjoy the scenery. Because right now I'm not even sure where I'm going. I mean, I know eventually up here somewhere I can make a right and it will end up taking me back out to State Route 26. I just forget where that is. What sucks is the washboard-like pattern. I think that's it, Duff Road right there. Yeah, this is the road I took last time. Duff, Homer's favorite beer, right? And I wasn't recording just a minute ago, and a massive doe just ran across the road. This is getting ridiculous now. Starting to see more and more of them, but I guess I am more in their territory. And then that road right there about a year or so ago, if you remember, that was my scary road video to where that one seemed worse than what it really is. Alright, I don't believe I took this part of the road last time I was in this area. The road went to the right back there, and I'm fairly certain that's the one I took. But we are talking 3+ years ago. Well, no, maybe... No, just shy of 3 years ago. And there's more turkey. Seen a bunch of them today, too. Well, I find myself on County Road 9, heading back towards the north. The turkey up there. I don't know what to do. County Road 25, I guess? What the map makes it look like. Is it going to be paved, or is it going to turn back into gravel? I don't know. I just know I've never been where I am, and that's cool, regardless of what the road is. I think it's time for a break. Let's go over here and park by the post office and take a break. I have no idea where I'm headed other than that way, but this has been nice. Well, this is about a little road. Gravel's nice and loose. Looks like we're getting ready to come out to County Road 12, probably paved. Well, so much for this being pavement. This is County Road 12. You guys have a nice shooting range over there. Well, how long is it going to be chip and seal? I don't know. Maybe just while we pass the houses. Hey, he's got a sawmill.
Do you want to ride some of these same roads I did? Check out my map at milesbymotorcycle.com.
Yep. It's okay. I'm good with that. Just Part of the plan today, come down here to Southern Ohio and find some gravel I've never been on, and some that I have. I think I've succeeded. But it's getting late enough in the day, I need to start thinking about getting back north too. This road is also called 15 Mile Creek. Gee, I wonder how long the creek is. It's basically what we're doing is we're paralleling it right there. But the GPS calls it County Road 12. Buzzards. It's beautiful back here. I say that a lot in my videos when I'm doing this. Did you ever notice that? Really? Really? You guys have got to quit doing that. Gee, even more turkey. And little turkeys. Wow. They had a whole bunch.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. I think I'm going to end it right here at this caboose just outside of Caldwell, and I'll zoom in on a historical sign for you. I'm going to go grab some lunch and just take the big roads home after this. Thanks again. If you haven't already, give me a big thumbs up, mash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.